how to buy Bullionaire token. So this token came under the symbol of BNAIRE. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money to some crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now before going on buy this token, please make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. This token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created just 1 hour ago. It's very new token and it increased by 16,000% in the last 24 hours. So it's also trending number 6 in the Binance Smart Chain section. So to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Binance Smart Chain network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. So log into your wallet first. Now after that, what you need to do, select the BNB chain first as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address here, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called BNAIRE. So after you find it, as you can see, click on it and click on swap, switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds and you will be able to see how much you receive the token, as you can see. So this is it. After that, it is simple. Click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy BNAIRE token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.